Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have something to show what I made in October. It's right in front of me. Let's have a look, let's do this. Right here, as you see, it's a yin and yang sign, I hope it is. Yeah, it's a little off center, something, but it was not easy to get the shape, but I'm happy with it. So that was a 15 mil by 30 round piece. So now it's maybe 4 mils, 3 mils, but before it was 15. The size now, it was 30 this way, and we have 42 because I heated that thing up. I punched it a little bit to make a mushroom, some type of mushroom there, and after a couple of heats I welded a little screw in the center on the unforged part and put it in my drill machine, which was already stacked in my vise. So I started the machine, all the thing was turning, and I took the grinder and I made a nice smooth shape, and then I took 400 grit paper and gave it a shiny look. After that I took a chisel to make the indications here for the yin and yang, and also I drilled those holes. The polishing with the self-made latte or lath, I don't know how you call this, while it's in the drill machine spinning, went out pretty good. I used, as I said, 400 grit paper. It was a little worn out, so it gets much smoother, but it turned out very well. And after I got the finish, I took the cutting disc, and my drill machine was going this direction clockwise, and my grinder came from this side and went down, and so I made a nice evenly cut. Yeah, here you see it was turning, and I was just going inside the material, and it made a real nice straight cut because the movement. Yeah, this is my yin and yang project. I think I will attach a little magnet here so I can put it on my fridge as a fridge magnet. The yin and yang, I like it, and so I think that's it for today. And what do I have to say? I'd like to say welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you, very awesome. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next. Bye bye.